Today, we are excited to talk about a new breakthrough in theoretical physics, where researchers have created a new mathematical model of black hole collisions. This new model reveals nonlinear effects, which is what happens when waves interact and influence each other rather than ride along by themselves. The research comes from a team of researchers at Caltech, Columbia University, University of Mississippi, Cornell University, and the Max Planck Institute for Gravitational Physics. This model can be used to learn more about the actual black hole collisions that have been routinely observed by LIGO since 2015. Nonlinear effects are what happens when waves on the beach crest and crash. With something as violent as a black hole merger, we expected these effects but had not seen them in our models until now. This new study represents the first time that the team has identified nonlinear effects in simulations of the ring-down phase. In the big picture, these new simulations will help researchers to better characterize future black hole collisions observed by LIGO and to better test Einstein's general theory of relativity.